question is there are a group of children at a party. How many of them could be given a fifth of a litre of Coke from 2 litres? So firstly, 1/5 of a litre is equal to 200 millilitres. What's more important though is that 1 litre is equal to 1000 millilitres. Now there's 2000 millilitres at the party. Every child will be given 200 millilitres, as we found out already. How many children are there? We knock off our zeros to figure out here. At either side, the end of the digit, so the number, so 220 then will leave us with 10. There will be 10 children at the party. Question number 2 is 3 plus 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3. We use the BOMDAS formula to help us here. BOMDAS is saying that you must always do, when you have a couple of different arithmetic rules going on, you must have your brackets, your operations, your multiplication, your division, your addition and subtraction must come first. So brackets comes first in this case. So do what's in the brackets first of all. 4 by 6 is 24 is equal to 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Now that brackets are done, there's no operations, there's no multiplication that's been done in the brackets. Division is done and also addition and subtraction does not. So addition is the only one that's left. So we add 3 plus 24 is 27, 4 plus 18 is 22. They are not equal, so the answer is no. Question number 3. What will I pay for 12 cushions at €2.35 each? So you multiply it by 12. 12 threes are 36, write down my 6 and carry my 3. 12 twos are 24 and 3 is 7, write down my 2. 12 twos are 24 and 2 are 26. I have to look over that one again. Euro. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find the sum of all of these odd numbers. Find the sum of these odd numbers. 17. So you have to sum off means add them all. Plus 19, plus 21, plus 23, and we add. Okay, 3 and 1 is 4, 4 and 9 is 13, and 7 is 20. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 plus 4, 2 is 6, is 8. The sum of those numbers is 80. Question number 5. Now that involves a little bit of trial and error. Question number 5. When you multiply a number by 8 and add 4 to it, you get 60. So when you multiply 8 by a number, we won't put in a number, and add 4 to it, you get 60. So let's do a couple of trial and errors and see which one will give us 60. And from my tables, I know 8 multiplied by, let's say, 6 would be around that area. 8 multiplied by 7 would be around that area. So 8 multiplied by 6 is 48, plus 4 is going to give me 52. That's not equal. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, plus 4 is, so that is correct. So it's 7 our answer is, just for the sake of doing the last one. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68. Okay, so that is not equal. Let's keep moving on now to the next sum. Question number 6. Write 0.25 as a fraction. 0.25 as a fraction. When you're dealing with fractions, you must look at the last digit and see what column that is in. Now that's the tenths, so this must be the hundredths. So it is 25 over 100. We need to break that down. What can go into 25 and 100? 25 can go into both. So 25 into 25 goes once, and 25 into 100 goes 4 times. So the smallest number, it's 1/4. A boy in Mr. Burns' class can do 5 multiplication sums in 10 minutes. How many can he do in an hour? So if you can do 5 in 10 minutes, how many can do in 60 minutes? Because there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So how many he can do? So it's 6 times 5, because in 10 minutes he does 5. 6 times that amount of time he'll do 30. So 30 in 60 minutes. Okay. Question number 8. What fraction of what 4 coins make up €1? 4 coins. So let's, again, similar to question 5, what we did down here with some trial and error, we're going to do some more trial and error here. So let's say 10 cent. Now I can only use 4 coins. 20 cent, 50 cent, and another 10 cent. Will that bring me up to €1? 1, 10, 20, 30, 50, 80, and 10, 90. No, but I'm close. So I can think from my trial and error that I've learned that 20 and 20 and a 50 cent and a 10 cent will bring me up. That's correct. 20 and 20 is 40, plus 50 is 90, plus 10 is going to give me the 100 cents that I need that makes up €1. Question number 9. What pattern comes next? What pattern comes next? Okay, looking at that there, we can see that we see a pattern emerging here. 1, 3, 5. Okay, so we can write it here. 1, 3, 5. Now, we can see that it's going up in 2s each time. So 2 plus 5 will give me 7. It's going to be a block here that has 7 dots. This has 9. This has 8. This has 7. And this one has 6. So C is the right answer. And the last one then, which angle has a right angle? A right angle is always an angle that has one line perpendicular to another. It is always like that, and that is your right angle, where you've got one line perpendicular to each other. Okay, so there's our sums for today's class.